Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, I see a drop. It's by the deep environment, you believe it or not. But I'm not a financial advisor, people. You can buy the top or you can try to buy the deep. Okay. Morning, Andre. Morning, Nore. Hey, Andre. Hey, Adela. Hey, Jade. Hey, Andre. Rodrigo, and everyone else. Too many of you in the chat to mention everyone. Okay. Starting with Bitcoin, as usual. There you go. Back at close to 110. Retesting this level. We had a bounce. Well, to produce a W, another W, we need this kind of up and down movement. We can retest 110? Yes. Will happen today? I don't know. I'm just watching the market. I see the support at 110 in this area. And I'm more than happy to hunt W's, to buy the dip if is the case, play some SFU longs, and so on. You can see here we have a low here. I'll be more than happy to play if will be the case. We have one at a bit lower, similar. Yeah? I don't see why we should, I don't know, panic. If you look here, you'll see. Index is at 44. Yesterday was the same. Last week was in the middle. Well, if Bitcoin is above 110, the fear and greed index is below 50%. Sounds nice for me. We can stay here in the fear a little bit more, depending how much time will take for the whales, for the big guys to fill their bags on some altcoins. And even in Bitcoin. If we'll have another step higher in Bitcoin, a blow off top, and let's say Bitcoin will go from 110 to 150 or 200K, imagine that the big guys will not buy the local top and, well, let's pump it higher. No. They have the power to bring the market a bit lower, to load their bags at a reasonable price, and then to pump it. Simple as that. Okay, so let's see what we have here. That's the CME chart. Here you see we took some liquidity and then we dumped. We can see better on this one. We touched 61.8. We are trying to push back down here and maybe form a double in this area. I don't think we'll dump below this level. But who am I to tell the market what to do? Maybe they'll dump. Ethereum, weaker, but we are SFUing this low, people, and we are Wyckoff checking this level in this moment. Yeah? Look at it. When we see a range and we see a breakout to the upside or to the downside, what the fuck we assume if we consider to play the range? As we assume here, we'll assume here. We are assuming that it's a fake out. I'm hunting long ideas. I took a scalp in the morning, an SFU. I'm still in that trade. If that will fail, I'll hunt for the next one. But my plan, my setups say that I should hunt long ideas here. If you want to wait for Twitter to post buy the dip, or for Twitter to ask you bought the dip, and well, it's up to you. I'm here to tell what I do with my own money. I'm buying the shit out of it. If I see a setup, I'll play it. If the setup will fail, I'll log it in the journal and I'll take the next one. In this kind of environment, the win rate will drop a little bit, indeed, but the risk to reward is great. So imagine taking a setup here, somewhere in here, and riding all the way up at the top. Take some profit at the middle and close it here at 5K, and even here, let a moon bag. Right, that deserves one or two or three attempts to long here. No? Depending on your setups, Rob. If you have setups that are waiting for a reclaim here, then wait for that reclaim. If it's safer, yes. It's safer to wait for a reclaim and close back in the range and then to hunt. But the risk reward is not the same. So it's up to you and your plan and what level you have. Okay, so that's Ethereum. I'm hunting long ideas here. You can say that Ethereum will go to 3,000. You can say that Ethereum will go to 2,000. I bought my fair share at 2,000. I managed to get risk free. I see the opportunity here. I'll play it. If the market will keep dumping, we'll hit my stop loss and so be it. Okay, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I see an SFU here. Okay, it's Ethereum versus Bitcoin, but that's an SFU level. Let's see if the market will close or will form this W here. Will take some time to form a daily W. But if we go on 4-hour chart, well, we can hunt something here if we'll see the reclaim above the SFU. How the fuck you want me to know when altcoins will start to outperform? Well, with this kind of thinking. Well, if this is an SFU and will form a double and Ethereum is stronger than Bitcoin, maybe other altcoins could be stronger than Bitcoin. Then, if I'll see more confirmation, I'll hunt with Holy Grail and so on. Well, your humble opinion, Mr. Burgos, it's an opinion like everyone else, like my opinion, like Stefan's opinion, and it's worth 1.5 cents. Exactly like mine. Yeah? I'm playing setups, opinions, worthless. Okay. Could go at 3,500? Okay, yeah. Why not? Could go even at 3,000 at some point in time. But level by level, setup by setup, I have to play long ideas here. So let's wait and see if we'll have this pattern. Will take some time, but that's why we are here. Okay. Bitcoin dominance. There you go. We confirmed the W, and I said yesterday, I said 2 days ago that, well, we like it or we don't like it, we have to admit this W. We have to see it, and we have to think about what a W means. We are on the road to touch 60K, 60%, sorry. Okay? We'll analyze again what is next here. If we'll hit 60%, and then we'll see. Well, let's see if it's something to think about. For the moment, we have a daily W. Like, we love to see daily EMs, and we'll play the altcoins. Now we should, I don't know, buy the dip on some altcoins because they are making new lows. Some of them are still strong. New shit coins are strong as fuck. Aster is not giving up, is holding that $2 like a champ. A lot of new altcoins are holding the levels and are trying to pump. Some of them, they are already beaten up and they don't have anything to give it. They are at the bottom. Some of them are making new lows. Okay, dominance here. This is my scenario, and I posted this one before we have a confirmation, before we had this W. 60%. Seems logical to me to retest this one before we'll go lower. Well, just my 2 cents. Yes, well, slowly respecting this level, the uptrend channel, the higher part of the channel, will form an M here or a V top. I don't know, but you can see, you understand why I'm saying to be extra careful here. This is a weekly uptrend channel, but we are at the top of it and we should be extra careful. Chasing here is stupid. Gold, well, we are in the blow off top. From August until now, we have $500 on gold. We can push higher, yes, but we are too damn close to 4,000 here. I don't see clear bearish divergence on OBV, but I see some potential on RSI here. Not confirmed yet, but I'll chase gold. No, I'm not trading gold even. Silver, I think silver could do great things, but it's too high for me to even think about it. Total market cap, we are retesting the support here, the previous all-time high. So we have a range, 4.2 to 3.7. 3 point, yeah. Will accept below, will close and will go to 3. It's possible. I don't think so, but it's possible. For the moment, this is a support. Total 3 is doing the same, but has a stronger support here. We want to see W's in this area and pushing higher. Simple as that. Okay, so that's the overview. We can go on spot in Binance, for example, and I could look at some shitcoins. Look at them. Retesting. Some of them are dumping. This one failed long time ago. It's trying to make new lows. If you'll see W's here, you think you can frame a setup? I think so. Our setups are back at the entry. Hopefully you made them risk-free or you took some profit off. Yeah, not only wins, we have also losses. We made nice money on this one failed. Next bus. Now we should think about this long reload zone or SFU of this level, back in the blue area again. Back in the long reload zone. Back down here at the lows. A bit of room until we'll go back down here, but well, it's doable. Eagle, trying to test this. I still have the order here. Yeah, Anna, stronger than the rest, but depending how deep the dip will be, maybe you have a chance to get a reload zone and maybe to make a W there. Yeah? Don't chase Anna here. Failed this level, didn't bounce. Without a clear W in a nice location, I don't see any reason to chase Anna. Was a nice move. The move is done. Imagine we had enough from here, from this W. Made enough money. Don't be greedy. Wait for a reload and wait for this kind of path. And I could go on the entire list. And I could do the same. You can see. From minus 10 to plus 1%. AVAX. AVAX didn't touch short reload zone. Is retesting this level. Maybe you'll come back here at the support, but overall I think AVAX could push a lot higher. If Bitcoin is correcting, I think everything is correcting. Supposedly the government has high chances to be shut down. From my experience, from my journal, this is a reason to push the market on the knees, so the big guys will load up their bags. Every year, or from time to time, I hear the same story. Every fall, let's call it that way. Well, the government will shut down. You really think that? I'm not a specialist in that matter, but you really think that they'll shut down the government? They could scare people with that time and time again, put the market down, even shut down for a couple of days, just to, yeah, exactly, Jade, to, I don't know, scare the people even more. But come on, let's zoom out a little bit. I heard that story over and over again. Okay, so people, don't fall in into their stories, into their bias, what they want you to believe. Focus on your own plan. If you have an investment plan, well, making new lows, it's bearish for you, it's good for you. What is your plan? What your plan says to do when you see dips? Yeah, you have Black Friday before Black Friday and you don't buy, okay, buy it at the top then. Buy premium. It's up to you. Well, I bought everything I wanted and I don't have more room to buy. Okay. Put your hands under your ass and let them there. Sit on them. As long as you need to sit on them. Simple. I am in that situation. Not too many things I can do. My bags are full. I could day trade, I could scalp. But the bags are almost full. I'm buying from 2 years ago. Loading, reloading, buying, and buying again. Okay. Let's go on lower time frame. And let's see what we have. Let's start with Bitcoin. What do we have here? Well, if we consider this one and we have the low and the high, we are at 78.6 long reload zone confluence with Monday low. I think it's a good area to hunt some W's. If we'll see some W's, okay? You can stay on 50-minute chart, you can go on 5-minute chart, hunt some W's, you can see the Monday low. We can SFU this level? Yes, we can. If we'll SFU this level it's a buying opportunity. As an SFU, as a setup, yes, it is. So W is here if will come. If not, SFU of this level. Simple as that. I told you not to buy, not to chase here. Okay? Stefan even took a short here, and this SFU was a nice one. Now I'm telling you that I'll buy if I'll see the opportunity. Other people are scared and they will go to 0, will go to 100k, level by level. For the moment we are above 110 and I could scalp the shit out of it. Okay, Ethereum. Look at the Monday range. High, low. We SFU that level now. It's a big fat round number. We can stay for more time here. Yeah. But it's $4,000. We waited for this level. We hoped, well, give me 4,000. I'll buy the shit or I'll try to hunt long ideas. And now, well, I don't know if I should play it. I'll play the setup here. If we'll fail, I'll play the next one. And the next one. It's a nice area to play. I'll do it. That's my plan. I'll follow it. If your plan says to wait for 2000 and then to play some setups, go ahead. Follow your plan. Okay, so that's Ethereum. I could zoom out a little bit now. I think 1 hour. Yeah, you can see shitcoins on 1 hour. They are testing the week low. It's exactly what we wanted. We wanted a retest of this dump. Now we can, well, either SFU, either hunt some W's in our favorite shitcoins, but I think we should hunt long ideas and long ideas only, people. Yeah, zoom out a little bit more, find the location. Attempted something here. I didn't post it, but you can see it failed. Next bus. Overall, I'm waiting for this pattern to happen. No W, no trade here. Portal, similar. Let's put 4-hour chart. I think it's better for some shitcoins. You can see we are testing the week low on most of them. We are in the long reload zone on 4-hour chart. We just need W's. Solana. Let's put 5-minute chart. I saw the SFU on Solana, I took it. We had a W here. Will fail? Okay, let it fail. I'll hunt the next one. But Solana is close to $200 and I'll be more than happy to hunt long ideas. But it's possible that this one will fail, yeah. If Bitcoin will drop a little bit more, we'll drop Solana to 200, maybe a bit below $200 and then W's. I'm here to play my setups. Okay, let's go back on 4-hour chart. Look at this one. We said don't chase, don't chase. We played the setups when we saw setups. Now we are waiting for this kind of price action. Here, no. SSV, $7.5. We tested 61.8, probably will go a bit lower. If you see it in the long reload zone on setups, Tao, you think now Stefan has a chance to hit his level at $270? Here, I think he has. Tia, I waited for this kind of pattern. Seems like we SFU and we are going lower. I'll wait for this kind of pattern as low as we'll get it. Maybe we'll push even to $1. Who the fuck knows? Small unlocks. But we are in a buying opportunity area. Ton. Now $3 is the resistance. This one. Shitcoin. Accepted below. Okay. If accepted below, let's wait for a reclaim for a power of 3 or a W a lot lower. Yes, we are not talking about this one is back at entry. We are risk free on this one. Simple as that. I don't know why people are overcomplicating the trading part. Well, I don't know. No. Put your emotions aside, learn to trade, learn the TA, make a plan, vet some setups, and then after you manage to vet the plan, to vet the setups, and you know what you're supposed to do, you just follow that plan. You don't care about the dumps. Well, dump means opportunity, pump means opportunity. Because it's volatility after all. If you don't see a setup from your plan, you don't do anything. Okay, wormhole. Retest of this nice pattern here. How deep? Well, I will tell you how deep. For the moment, I think we have kind of pump chasers on, but we can do a long reload on here. I think we can. Yeah, it's possible. We have pump chasers on, so we should watch for a double in this area. You can see the support. Support is strong. So if you see a W here, it's up to you, but I like what I see here. Give me a clear W and I'll play a setup. Joe, back in the long reload zone, retesting. Huh? Retesting this level. To the moon. Let it come back down here, make a double and then to pop. Okay. This one. You can play the AB equals CD. It's a new shitcoin, yeah, could be. Or you can wait for more price action. This one. We are long, people. We are long on this one. Deep in profit. You should be risk free. This is a support here now. This one is too new to do something on that time frame. Maybe 50-minute chart is better. Okay. So if you see the support, if you see W's in this area, we can try to do something. If Bitcoin will drop lower, yeah, we'll drag everything lower. But this one is still new and shiny for the moment. As long as CZ is talking about, as long as they are trying to push it, as long they have a contest and a 4 or 5% higher drop in October, I don't think this one will drop like a hammer before October. Could pump. How high? Price discovery is a bitch. I don't know how high. The market cap is big, but doesn't matter. If people don't want to sell what they have and other people want to buy, the shitcoin will pump. I'm not even considering to do a TA on that coin. Sorry. Wrong channel. Eat with Mo. Huh? Wrong fucking channel. Sorry. Probably you are new here and you don't know. You don't know us, me or Stefan or our community in general. We don't participate in that shit. Sorry. Okay. There are other influencers, so-called traders that they will be happy to answer you to that question. Okay. I'll hand this one if will be the case. You can see Solana is dropping. Ethereum Below 4,000. Testing that $4,000. We can push a bit lower, yes. We can test 3.9, 3.8, yes. Every time I'll get a setup, I'll play it. Want banana now? Okay. Banana. What do you want me to tell you about banana? Banana is testing the lows. And it's up to you. You are old in this community. You have Capua 1. You should know what to do here. Wait for W's. Play some SFU is the case. But if you want to play it, I think W's, daily W's will tell you, well, we have a double bottom. You can see here. We had a W, we pumped. We had some ugly W's, we pumped. Now I see lower highs and lower lows. Huh? It is that simple. 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows. See a W in this area, it's more than okay to... If you are an investor, yeah, then damn good location. If I remember correctly, Bocian was talking about this one. It's nice, it's not a shitcoin, or it's not a 100% shitcoin. They have some nice things. Well, buy a little bit. Nice location for that. Sell your house, sell your car, do more than pizza money. No. No. So, you have to imagine, Jay, that you buy now 16. We could go at 10, 12, stay here for days, weeks, months, and then to pump. If we'll pump. It's an investment. It will take time. Trade kidneys for banana. That's not a good idea. 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at 4-hour chart. Nice location. But, like I said, nothing else. He's trying to make some bullish divergence here. At least on RSI. The RSI is oversold, which is nice. This area is good to hunt W's, Jade. You know these things already. Okay, now, that being said, we can call it a live stream, no? So, I'll review. Watch for W's here at the Monday low. SFU of this level could be a nice long idea. Lower, even better for some W's. Yeah. You can see my plan from some time ago. W in the long reload zone above 110. Make a W, breakout and retest. It's a higher time frame, not 50-minute chart. 1 hour, 4-hour chart, this kind of W. Yeah? But we are getting that in that area. We are testing this low, this Monday low again. Ethereum, similar. If wants to go in the long reload zone 3.9 here and then make a W, I'll be more than happy to participate in that. Solana, I have this trade here, but I suggest you to wait for a clear W on, I don't know, 15 minutes, 1 hour for a potential long. Okay? Florin says Ondo. Let's take a look at Ondo. That's the last one, people. I want to be able to participate in the London session with the VIP people and make some money. Ondo weekly. Okay, weekly. Ondo on weekly. This is not valid. Let's do a valid long reload. There you go. It's confirming this, yeah, on weekly. On daily, I don't see W's, I see M's. We are reaching the target for that, yeah. We are reaching some support area. If you see it at 61.8, if you see a retest of this initial W, we play this one at some point in time. Yeah. Back down here, retest of that level, yes, on daily. Weekly W's, you know what I'll say about weekly. But daily, wait for a dip. Let's see how deep will drop. And then wait for a daily double. Will be more than okay for a setup. If you already have that shitcoin or any other shitcoin, don't sell them now in the lows, people. Just put your hands under your ass and wait. Oh, good morning, Mr. Stefan. Stefan is waking up. Wakey, wakey. Well, that's good. Then hold your bag as long as possible. Yeah. Don't worry about it. You'll not die, Stefan. You are just behaving like a little girl when you are you have a cold. That's it. Okay, people. Let's call it a live stream. It's not up only, as you see. The bull market is not easy, as you'll see if you don't know already. Okay? See you around. I'll go and trade with the VIP people. By the way, the VIP will open in 5 days. So if you you can DM Stefan then and get a place. We have a cap. We don't exceed more than 100 people. Once we reach that limit, we'll close the registration immediately. Okay? See you around, people. Bye-bye.